Hello everyone and welcome back. See, it mustn't be egusi and ogbono all the time. Today I share how I make this seafood banga soup, okay? Allow egusi and ogbono to breathe. Don't suffocate them. I'm using banga concentrate. If you have the fresh one, more better, okay? To that, I will add enough hot water. Then dissolve properly. Once I'm done dissolve, I will set it aside to settle down completely. In another plate, I have crayfish, orima seeds. This is how orima seed looks like. Orima is totally different from ozuza. Okay, that's orima right there. And this is ozuza seed and habanero peppers. I am going to blend all into a very smooth paste. In a pot, I will sieve in the banga concentrate. Pay attention to the particles that settles at the bottom. Once I'm done with that, I will go in with the sea snails. If you have the bigger one, you can use it. Blended pepper and crayfish, I will rinse the blender with some water. Then I go in with ogilisi. That is locust bean. I'm not using any form of onion to this soup, okay? Then I add seasoning cube and stir. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to cover half of the pot and bring it to a boil. 10 minutes later, this is what the soup is looking like. I am going to stir again. Now I'll go in with my thoroughly washed catfish, okay? I found this tail of a tilapia fish in my freezer, so I'm going to add it. I added a bit of water. We are making soup, so we need water. I will cover half of the pot and allow this to cook for another 10 minutes. Minutes later, I am going to flip the other side of the fish to cook. I am flipping the fish because of the size of my pot. If you are using a bigger pot, then you don't need to do this. Please, can you take a moment to subscribe to my channel? That is, if you haven't done that already. Also, like this video as well. Thank you so much. Now, I'm going in with a thickener. I am using ofo. You can use achi or cocoyam. I will gently spread the ofo like so. Once I'm done adding the ofo, I will gently stir the soup, making sure that all the ofo goes inside the soup, okay? Once that is done, I will go in with the shrimps. Make sure that the shrimps are well cleaned. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you. Please, can you take a moment to like this video, okay? When you like my video, it makes YouTube to push it more further to those who has not come across my channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. At this point, allow the soup to continue cooking until it thickens. Once it thickens to my desired consistency, I am going to stir one more time. Remember, the more the soup gets cold, the thicker it becomes, okay? Now, I'm going to test and adjust for more salt and seasoning if necessary. I added only a tiny bit of salt. Now, you can go in with any leafy of your choice. It could be ozuza leaf, or her leaf, or okazi leaf. Just a tiny bit. You don't need much for this soup. Or you can even leave the soup plain, okay? Now, stir. Once I'm done stirring, I will allow the soup to cook again for another 2 minutes. Two minutes later, the soup is ready. Serve and enjoy. The soup is giving. It was super delicious. Try this recipe and get back to me. You know the aroma that comes with oza, right? That is the aroma in this soup. It was more than delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a huge and massive thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.